In this exercise, we will build a Power Automate flow that sorts an array of people based on their age, both in ascending and descending order. Additionally, we will extract only the ages from the sorted array to simplify the output. Throughout the process, we will follow best practices such as using clear action names, structuring the flow logically, and testing at each stage to ensure reliability. The first step is to create a new Power Automate flow. After logging into the platform, a new cloud flow should be created with the Manually Trigger a Flow trigger, allowing us to run the flow on demand. It is essential to give the flow a clear and descriptive name, such as Sort Array by Age, to ensure easy identification and maintainability. Once the flow is created, we need to define the dataset that will be used for sorting. Instead of using static data in multiple steps, a compose action is used to initialize the array in a structured JSON format. This array contains multiple objects, each representing a person with attributes such as ID, name, age, gender, children, and number of children. To follow best practices, this compose action should be named descriptively as Initialize Array with Data to clearly indicate its purpose. After setting up this action, it is crucial to save and test the flow to confirm that the array is correctly initialized. This step ensures that the data structure is properly set before proceeding to sorting operations. With the data initialized, the next step is to sort the array based on the age field in ascending order. To achieve this, another compose action is added, where we use the Power Automate expression, Sort Outputs, Initialize Array with Data, Age. This expression sorts the array elements from the youngest to the oldest. Naming this action Sort Array by Age, Ascending, enhances readability and makes the flow easier to maintain. After implementing this step, the flow should be saved and tested to verify that the output contains the array sorted correctly. A best practice at this stage is to inspect the output in the run history to ensure that the data is sorted as expected. To simplify the output and focus only on the sorted ages, we introduce a Select action. This action maps the sorted array and extracts only the age property, discarding all other details. The From field of the Select action should reference the sorted array from the previous step, and the mapping should be set to age. This ensures that the output contains only a list of numbers representing ages in ascending order. Naming this action Extract Ages, Ascending, provides clarity on its function. Once configured, testing should be performed to confirm that the extracted values represent the ages sorted in increasing order. A best practice here is to verify the output format to ensure it meets the expected structure, especially if the data will be used in subsequent steps. Power Automate does not provide a direct way to sort in descending order. Instead, we first sort the array in ascending order and then reverse it. To achieve this, another compose action is added using the following expression. This reverses the order of the already sorted array, effectively sorting it in descending order. Naming this action Sort Array by Age, Descending, makes its function immediately clear. Testing should be conducted to verify that the oldest person now appears first and the youngest last. A best practice is to compare the ascending and descending outputs side by side to ensure correctness. Extracting only the ages in descending order. To further simplify the data, another Select action is added to extract only the ages from the descending order array. This follows the same process as the previous Select action, mapping only the age property from the reversed array. Naming this action Extract Ages, Descending, improves clarity, ensuring that anyone reviewing the flow can immediately understand its purpose. After setting up this step, running a final test is essential to confirm that the output contains only the ages in descending order. After completing all steps, a comprehensive test should be performed to verify that each component functions as expected. The following checks should be conducted. Ensuring the original array is correctly initialized with the expected data. Validating that the sorting operation in ascending order produces the correct sequence. Confirming that the age extraction in ascending order outputs only numerical values in increasing order. Checking that the descending sort correctly reverses the order from the ascending sort. Verifying that the final extraction of ages in descending order is accurate. A best practice is to run multiple test cases with different data sets to confirm that the flow behaves correctly under various conditions. Additionally, it is recommended to review the flow run history to identify any errors or unexpected results before deploying the automation for production use. This Power Automate flow provides a dynamic way to sort an array based on a specific field, age, and extract relevant information in a structured format. By using built-in expressions such as sort and reverse, the flow ensures that data can be processed efficiently. Additionally, the separation of sorting and extraction into distinct steps enhances modularity and maintainability, making it easier to update or extend the flow if needed. These techniques are particularly useful in scenarios where sorted lists are required for reports, data processing, or automated decision-making. By following best practices such as using meaningful action names, testing at each stage, and structuring the flow logically, this approach ensures clarity, scalability, and robustness in data processing workflows.